2 damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figure.
Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. What? Stop. So welcome back to my channel. So for this, I'm doing a wash and go, and I'm gonna start off with freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna use a rat tail comb to do the side part, or you know, make the part. I'm not a pro at making parts, so please don't expect me to make it, you know, extremely straight, because I can't. Also, I know I've been gone for mad long, but I'm trying to make things more consistent with videos, but school just started, and I know for a fact it's not gonna be the way I want it to be, but you know, I'ma try. So now I'm using the rat tail comb to comb the hair down a little bit, because I'm gonna use the beeswax in a while, and I want the hair to be like flat down. That specific part, I want it to be flat down so the part can show, you know, you feel me? And now I'm just getting a small part of the beeswax, a small little portion of the beeswax, and I'm putting it on the part. And now I'm going back in with the comb just to get more of a reassurance, so I know for a fact it's slicked down. Now I'm using the Cantu Moisturizing Cream Decay Curl Activator. I'm just hoping my hair will curl. So next clip, I look stupid, yo. Like, let's count how many times I do that. Now that I've succeeded into getting some of the product out of the freaking bottle, I'm just gonna rub it on my hand so that I can apply it to my hair. This was such a stupid idea. I ended up taking the product and only putting it on the sides because I didn't have enough product for the whole hair. So I don't know why I did that, but I fixed it later on. See, I'm not completely stupid. I got the towel and I just wipe off the residue that was on the hair, because like, why is it there? Then this is the part where I get bobby pins to keep my hair down. Now my hair is kind of thick, so it's not gonna just be slicked down by itself. I need something to hold it down, so I use the bobby pins to hold the hair down. I just put it on like normal bobby pins, like the way everyone else put the bobby pins, but you know, I put it there to keep it down. Now, I'm using the beeswax to do my edges. I already have a video up about how I do my edges, so I don't really think there's a need for me to tell you guys how I do the edges. But if you guys don't know how I do them, I'll just put the link in the description box for you guys to go to the video after this video to see how I do my edges. It's kind of simple. It's exactly the way you see it in this video, so yeah. Now this is my favorite part. Like, oh my gosh, it's my favorite part because this is where I get my curls to be popping. Like, who does not want their curls to be popping? Because me, I'll be going to school, my curls popping for me. But this is where I get like a portion of the hair in the front. You can call them the bangs. I don't call them bangs because my hair's too short for bangs, but I get like a small portion of the hair and I comb it out with a rat tail comb because my hair is, really short. Now, you're not supposed to use a rat tail comb to comb your hair, but my hair is short, so I got an exception. Then I get beeswax to slick the parting down so that I know, or that I have the hair going in the direction that I want it to. And then I get the Eco Styler. That one. I don't know the name, but the Eco Styler, and I just start like combing through it with my fingers so that the curls can just form. And yo, look at the curls coming up. They look great, mama. They look great. So when that's done, I just do the rest of that top portion. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys want to know how I've took care of my hair for the past 6 months since my big chop, I'll definitely do a video on that. I'm also looking for more ideas, so if you guys have any, please comment down below. Please follow me on all of my social medias, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.